Well, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our homestead. We just took a 2-week long driving family road trip vacation. It was awesome and visited some cool places. I'll talk about those in another video. But right now, I was hoping to get out into that garden for you and do some work and shoot a video for you about what's going on. And well, I can't do that right now. Unfortunately, my friend who is watching our dog, which so many of you have seen darting around in the background of all of our videos, he says he's injured pretty bad. So I was gonna leave him with my friend until tomorrow or even the next day, and I can't do that. I'm gonna go get him right now and take him to an emergency vet. I'll take you along for the ride. I don't know what's wrong with him. My friend thinks he might have gotten bit by a snake. Ow. Yeah, and sometimes he does hurt himself running around the property because he's running so fast, as you can see in the other videos. But I don't know what's going on with him. He's not eating either, so I hope he's not septic. He's definitely not feeling well. We're gonna take him to the emergency vet, and I'll take you along for the ride. Let's go.
Poor Duke.
All right, we're rolling up on my friend's house. Let's see what is wrong with this poor puppy. What's wrong? You don't feel good? Huh? You want to go to the doctor? Okay, just sit down, sit down, sit down. Lay down, lay down, lay down. Okay, lay down, we'll go to the doctor. It's a size, yeah, it's pretty big. What happened?
Baseball.
What happened there, buddy?
Compared to the other leg, it's huge.
Well, we don't know what's up with this dog. Don't know if he got bit by a snake. Don't know if he just hurt himself running around like he normally does. Guess we'll take it. Don't walk around, dog. Well, guess we'll just take him to the emergency room and see what's going on with him. He didn't yell when I touched it, but he's not eating his food, which is extremely unusual for that dog.
He would just gobble it up.
Yeah, he would just gobble it up. You're right. You can go back in your cage. We're gonna take you. We're gonna take you. Okay?
Yesterday he had just a little limp, but he'd take off running towards the chickens like it was nothing. Like you told me,
like,
sometimes he limps, but then he just takes off running.
Yeah.
He was doing that yesterday. He had just a regular soft limp, but he was still running around. But today he's not running around. He didn't even want to get up from there to come over here to get his food. I had to call him. Come on, come on. He just laid there, wagging his tail at me. Finally, he got up, and that's when he just went like this.
Oh man.
Come on. Come on, inside. Come on.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Lay down. You gonna lay down? You wanna go home? Or you wanna go to the vet? Dukester, you feeling better? Yeah? You don't look like you're dying. Okay, we got Duke, and he looks pretty good. I don't think it's a snake bite. When I touched his swollen elbow, it didn't hurt him. He didn't yelp or anything like that. I think he was just resting it. And, you know, my friend was sending me pictures, and it looked like he wasn't feeling great, and he didn't eat his food. As soon as I came here, as soon as Ariel got here, he perked up, wanted to be pet. It was limping pretty bad. He won't put any weight on it, but he ate his food. So I don't know. Maybe he was just resting. Maybe he just hurt himself yet again, running around like a maniac. Like I said, I don't think it's a snake bite, but I'm gonna monitor him all day long and see what happens, and hopefully he'll just heal up and be okay like he normally does when he limps. Usually it's his back legs. I don't know why this time it's his front leg. But we'll see. We'll just have to monitor him, and I will let you guys know how he's doing. Let's get him home. Okay, so here we go. We got him home, and it doesn't look like he got bit by a snake. He is just happy, tail wagging, all of that. He just somehow hurt his leg so bad. He won't put any weight on it, although he still wants to run around because he is a totally unchill border collie. He's so hyper, He's so stressed out all the time, but that's the breed, right? So we gotta make the determination whether we are going to take him to the vet this week, or if he can just relax a tiny little bit and heal up, then I hope that's what happens. He's hurt his back legs before and he's limped around, but then of course a car drives by on our road and he just goes chasing after it, limp and all. He's just totally unchill. So Duke, you got to chill out. You gotta chill out, buddy. So we'll continue to monitor him, and I am sorry about the audio before I grabbed my camera so quick because my friend didn't know what was wrong with him, and we raced over there. Actually, I wasn't going to pick him up till Tuesday. It's Sunday today. You guys will probably see this in a few days. Got over there, and he's okay. He's not he's not going to die on me. So he's just got to relax. But I'm about ready to cut the grass. And you know, if you've seen in my other videos, he goes bonkers for power equipment, no matter what it is. So, you can't even chill out right now. Just sit down. Sit. Can you sit? Sit. There you go. There you go. He finally just sat for me. That's the only thing he listens to me about. And I'm going to try and show you, if this cat will get out of the way, what is going on. Let's put the camera down here. With this big old issue right there. It is swollen up, something fierce. He's not yelping when I touch it, so that's good. But it's just, it doesn't look good. It's the size of a baseball. And, all right, well, I will keep you guys updated on how Duke is doing. Now we're going to head over and we're going to talk about how our homestead fared over the last 2 weeks that we've been gone. So can you leave your homestead and take a vacation? That is always a big question when people ask me about homesteading. Can we leave, or are we stuck there the entire time? No, you're not. Small 3 to 4 day vacations are better, but you can go. We've been gone for 2 weeks. There's some things that weren't taken care of the best. There's some things that were taken care of with no problem, and there's some things like this insane long grass that I need to take care of now. So hopefully the dog won't go nuts. All right, we're glad to be back. We're glad you're here with us. Have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.